Hi friends, it's Tawanna. I'm from the Cicero Clinic and I just wanted to share with you all a few activities that you can do at home with your kiddo. So these are going to be fun, simple activities that you can do. I'm going to say my name again, Tawanna. You can wave. You can give me a fist pump. Or we can do a little dance. Hello, 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 how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. So to go over some of the materials that we need, I have some cool markers here. I have a glue stick. I have some scissors. Hope you guys have some safety kiddo scissors with you. And I have construction paper of different colors, yellow, white, brown, pink, whatever you guys choose. So today we are going to be making Sun, Mr. Sun. So I started off with making a circle on the yellow construction paper, and then I just cut it out so I can show you. We can do it together. I'm gonna make a circle. Okay, like that, and then we're gonna take the scissors, and you guys can cut it out. While cutting out, it doesn't have to be perfect, of course. Parents, you can focus on your kiddo holding the scissors the right way. So maybe hand over hand, prompting them to hold it and trying to cut the line, circular motion. Give you a little time to do that. Okay. And then it should be like this. So we have our circle. Next, we're gonna take some little strips that I cut out. And I can show you guys how I made that as well. So I literally just drew a line, straight line on the paper. And you don't need a certain amount. You can cut out however many you feel as if is okay, and I'm sure it'll be perfect. So I can show you guys. So I did that, and then I'll just cut along that straight line for my strips. Your strips can be as long as you want them to be. They don't have to be a certain length or a certain width or anything like that. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just make it fun. Okay, so I have those. I have a few. I can show you that. Ta-da! A lot. Okay, so let's go back to our construction paper. I want to do, what color are you guys going to do? Okay, I'm going to do orange. No, I changed my mind. I'm going to do pink. Why not? Okay, so we're going to take our yellow circle and we're going to put it on top of our paper, just like that. What's the magic word? Oh, open. That's right, open. So we're going to take it. And parents, you can do hand over hand if you want, helping your child put the glue on our circle sun. Or you can let them try to do it on their own as well. So let's get a good amount of glue on that. And we're going to take that and glue it on top of our paper. Next, we are going to take our strips that we cut out, remember? And we're going to put glue on those strips as well. I'm going to put mine on this paper right here. Good job, friends. I like how you're helping make the sun. Good work. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what I have so far. Then I'm just going to keep going around. Nice job. Keep it up. We're almost there. We are almost there, friends. And I have a cool surprise at the end. So keep it up. Okay. Few more. Perfect. Okay, I'll show you again what I have so far. Almost there. See? So pretty. Okay, let's keep going. Oops, I almost dropped my glue. Good catch. Okay. Three more for me. Okay. One, two. Two more. Ta-da! Look at that! It's a sun. Okay, next we are going to make us some cool glasses. I already cut a pair out. And I can show you guys how I drew this. So cool. If I can do it, you can do it. So, literally, draw like 2 half moons. And then I color it in like that. And you can make it whatever size you want it to be. It could be big, small, whatever you prefer. And then I just color the inside in. Like this. And then I cut it out. So I'll give you guys time to do the same. And when you're done, it should look like this. Ooh. Cool glasses, right? Almost there. Okay. So I'm going to take my glasses I'm going to put some glue on them. And then I'm going to put them on top of my sun. Just like that. Ta-da. Ready? Voila! Mr. Sun has on some cool sunglasses. And then next, we're going to draw a little mouth for our sun. My hand behind it so you can see it. And then with that, I did the same as the glasses. I just drew like a smiley face. And then I colored that in. And then I cut it out. Yours may look way better than mine. Okay, I'm going to take the glue and put it on the back of my mouth. Just like that. Perfect. And there we have it, friends. Mr. Sun. I'll give you guys a few minutes to catch up or finish up. And I have a cool surprise for us. Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Wow! And that is all we have for art today. Thank you guys for helping me. You guys were so helpful, and I'm sure your Mr. Sun looks way better than mine. I'm really happy with what we have here. Perfect. So we can end by saying goodbye, or giving me another fist pump, or doing a cool dance. Bye, friends.